So far, you have only done problems of combining like terms where there are no parentheses, there's no distributing. So you have looked at problems like this and recognized that these two go together and this one does not. So these two combine to make 9x to the third, and 6x squared would stay by itself in your answer. Now we need to take a look at some problems that have parentheses in them. The first step in these problems is going to be to distribute the number that is next to the parentheses. To start out with, you're going to ignore the number that's by itself. Pretend like that's not even there for right now. You're going to take your 6 and you're going to multiply that with both of the 4's that are inside of the parentheses. 6 times 4x is 24x. 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. You can write that as minus 24, or you can write plus a negative 24. They're the exact same thing. And then take your negative 5 that's still hanging out here in the front, and I want you to just drop that down. We didn't use it to multiply, so it hasn't changed yet. That is step 1. Step 2, I need you to figure out which ones match up. Which ones have friends, and which ones are all bored and lonesome. These two guys match up. You can combine those. You need to type negative 5 minus 24 in your calculator. You should get negative 29. And this 24x, since he doesn't have any friends, you're going to drop him straight down. And that's going to be the answer. Try number 2 with me. You're going to take the number that's outside the parentheses and you're going to multiply it with both of the terms inside. Negative 8 times 1 is going to give you negative 8. Remember, in front of this x, there's a little 1. Negative 8 times 1 is going to give you negative 8. So I'm going to write minus 8x. Then this plus 6, you can just drop down. That's step 1. Step 2. Which ones match? Negative 8, negative 6. This guy in the middle, still all lonely, still all by himself. Negative 8 plus 6 you can combine to make negative 2. Minus 8x will drop down. And that is the answer.